Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be reviewing an Amazon hair. I got me a bang, y'all. As you can tell from the title, I got me a bang, and it's from this hair company called Beauart. This is an unboxing, but I already opened it and I already felt the hair and I am in love. We about to see how this bang about to look on me because I haven't done a bang in years. If you buy this wig on Amazon, y'all, you can get it in 2 days because this company does the Amazon Prime, and who doesn't like a fast delivery, right? So as I'm touching the hair right now, and the hair is feeling fire, okay? Ooh, I was thinking about dyeing it jet black, but as you can see, it's already really dark. It is in the color 1B, you guys, and in the inside you get some clips, like you get a clip by the bang, and you get a clip in the back area, and you get some adjustable straps to make it tighter. I did read the reviews online and I saw some good reviews on it, so I went and purchased it. This wig is very affordable, you guys. All the links will be in the description box below. We about to put this wig on. I'm so excited. Like I said, it is 100% human hair. It's by the company called Beauart. They have hair care instructions on their card. I love that. And yeah, you could put heat on it, you could wash it, you could do whatever you want. Let's just put this wig on and see how it comes out. You could just throw this on and go, and that's why I went and purchased me one, because this would be so good. Oh my god, hold on. I just love me a really dark wig. Like I was saying before, I went and got a cute bang wig because I want to be able to just throw on a wig and go to work. Something quick and easy when I'm rushing, you know, because you don't need to do too much with like the frontal and everything. A bang wig is perfect. Oh my god, I really like it so far, you guys. I like this video if you think this is so pretty. I'm about to put some heat on it and really bump my bang, but this bang has no bump to it, and I did not cut it. As you can see, I took it out of the box. Oh my god, hold on. I'm looking in my mirror and I am stunned. I am so stunned. Oh my god, and it's so lightweight. It feels so good. What you'll probably want to do is adjust it to your head size. I just put it on and it just easily snug to my hair, and I love that. I didn't even adjust the straps yet. It's not too tight, it's not too loose. This wig is giving me vibes. Like, this wig is so cute. I feel so pretty in this, y'all. Just take a look at the back. I love that I can comb it out and it still has the beautiful curl pattern to it, and it doesn't look too big. It just looked perfect. This is the 18-inch bang wig, and we're gonna test it out with some heat. I really like the natural curve, the natural bump that the bang came with. It's very lightweight. It's not doing too much. I love the fact that the bang is not too thick, and it's like, it got that fade right there. You don't gotta do it with the scissors like the salon would do it, but like it has it already for you. I love this wig, y'all. It's so cute. Like, oh my god, I'm throwing this on tomorrow. I'm throwing this on. I have to show this hair off, you guys. This is so bomb. I would suggest you to go get this wig. It's very cute. It's very on the go. Let's bump this bang and see how it takes heat. I feel like I'm about to mess up the natural pattern, but let's see. Oh yeah, you see how it bumped that? I don't really know how to bump bangs, but I'm just gonna do it like that. Yeah. Okay. So I have my curling iron on 400 degrees, and this hair is taking heat wonderfully. It's kind of giving me 80s, but in 2021 it's giving, y'all. Like, y'all can't tell me nothing. Like, look at the bounce, look at the curls. It's so beautiful. I would recommend this hair 100%. This hair is so fire, and it's so lightweight. She is pretty. She is sitting perfect, and it's just giving what it's supposed to give, okay? This hair can be worn to work, to school, to interviews. You feel important, you feel bougie, you feel like you're that girl when you walk into a room. It is so beautiful. I'm so in love. Like, I could keep going on and on how in love I am with this hair. I am highly satisfied. This hair is bomb.com. Like, but I'm gonna stop rambling on about the hair. I hope that you guys did like this hair tutorial. I try to put a little bit of heat on it, but you know me, I don't know how to bump bangs that well, and I kind of messed it up. I should have left the bang the way it came, because it was way more beautiful than this. Like, this is just, I messed it up a little bit. I made the bang more flat, but I think it still look good. It's still okay even if you put heat. As you can tell, this hair takes heat wonderfully. I bumped it a little bit too much, and then I had to unbump it a little bit so that it can look right. I love me a thin bang where you can see my eyebrows and you can know I mean business, okay? Purchase you one of these wigs, honey, because I am a changed woman, okay? I love me this French, I think they call this like a French bang wig. It's just given. I just feel so beautiful, and I feel like a changed woman in this hair. I feel like I am going to light a room when I walk in the room. This hair is super affordable. Visit down the description box below so you can go purchase yourself one of these wigs. This will change your life, I promise you. And if it don't, come back to this video and be like, sis, it didn't change my life, because it changed me. Just putting it on gave me a whole new aura, okay? I highly suggest this wig. It's so beautiful, it's lightweight. And you guys, thank you so much for rocking out with me in this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to visit the link down below.
Scotty just caught him a body.